This is not the time to be getting fooled, because Bitcoin is about to create a massive breakout and is currently testing its previous all-time highs. So I will be talking about that exactly. What are the institutions doing right now? That is going to be very important to know, and we are gonna need to talk about Ethereum because it is breaking massive resistance. But with that being said, make sure to smash up that like button, and yes, I am still in my Bitcoin trade. Right now in about 16k in a profit, but anytime soon this is about to change, because we are about to experience a massive breakout in the short term. We are both creating some kind of a bull flag pattern and also at the same time a symmetrical triangle, and in both of these scenarios we actually have a price target above our previous all-time high. And if we are going to be having a look into what's the last time we actually broke above that previous all-time high, well, we had an insane push towards the upside. So if we were to be breaking above that previous all-time high because of these massive breakouts we could be getting, well, that could be leading into something huge. And on that 1 hourly time frame, if we are going to be having a look into this symmetrical triangle, well, if we are going to be seeing this breakout towards the upside, we are going to be having a price target exactly above that previous all-time high. And I have said in the past that we have already taken out our liquidity of this previous wick towards the upside. So we have already taken out that liquidity. Now, if we are going to be breaking above that previous all-time high for the second time, well, that time around, we are going to be seeing a huge break towards the upside. At least, this is what we saw in the last cycle. Now, I do think that it is going to be getting repeated if we are going to be breaking that all-time high again this time around. Now, if we are going to be seeing a similar pump, just like in the previous cycle, well, we could be seeing a pump all the way up towards the 85k. So that could be absolutely massive. Now the question really is going to be, when are we going to be breaking above that previous all-time high? Are we going to be breaking above that previous all-time high at the point of this breakout? Well, I do definitely think that we can be seeing a little bit more consolidation. Just like this previous cycle, we have also seen a pretty long consolidation before we eventually broke out towards the upside. So yes, we could be seeing this massive breakout already if we were to be breaking out this symmetrical triangle towards the upside. But in my opinion, I'm just going to be positioning myself right with a Bitcoin long position, and I do not care if we are going to be seeing a longer consolidation or if we are already going to be breaking out right now. Now, I do think that if we are going to be breaking this one out towards the upside, it could be a very good opportunity for you to enter the market, but I do not know when we are going to be breaking that previous all-time high. All I do know is that we are looking extremely bullish in that longer time frames. In that longer time frames, literally institutions are still keeping on buying more Bitcoin. The Bitcoin funding rates are literally in extremely parabolic bull market stages, just like the Bitcoin RSI. Institutions are right now front running the Bitcoin halving, so probably the Bitcoin price will just keep on pumping towards the upside until the Bitcoin halving. But I will be talking a little bit more about that in a minute. First of all, about my Bitcoin trade, I shared my exact Bitcoin entries in my free VIP group, and you can be joining this group as well. All you need to do is click on that link down below, have a look into what's the requirements, fill out this form, and I will be contacting you through Telegram within about 24 hours. So make sure to check it out. Now, I think that Bybit is the best exchange, but to be honest, Bybit is not available in my country, so that is why I'm using DEEPCOIN right now, because it is having no KYC and no restrictions. And on top of that, yeah, you can also be claiming $220 for free by only depositing $100. So if you are going to be getting interested in trading, definitely make sure to check it out. But anyways, with that being said, yes, I do think that in the short term, we can be seeing a little bit more of a consolidation, just like we have seen last time around. But in the end of the day, I'm sure we are going to be getting another move towards the upside, because the longer term indicators are just looking so good. We are just getting started in our parabolic bull market. We can still be seeing that institutions are buying up majority of these Bitcoins, and in my opinion, what I think they are doing right now is just that they are front running the Bitcoin halving. So because of this, I think that Bitcoin will just keep on pumping until we are going to be getting our Bitcoin halving. After the Bitcoin halving, probably these institutions are going to be taking some profits, but definitely, yeah, so for now, it will keep on pumping because institutions are right now front running the Bitcoin halving. And while all of these reasons combined and many more signals that we have been talking about in the last couple of weeks and also on my Twitter page, well, all of these reasons combined, I think that we are ultimately going to be seeing this breakout towards the upside. And whenever we are going to be seeing this breakout towards the upside, well, then the God candle will be happening. So yeah, at least I am prepared for that scenario. It is important to not get fooled right now, but talking about Ethereum is right now breaking out outside of massive resistance. And I believe that it is only getting started for Ethereum. Now, of course, Bitcoin already broke above this key level of resistance a long time ago, but right now Ethereum is finally breaking above that same exact level. Now, I do think that Ethereum is going to be outperforming Bitcoin by this year. Now, it's just going to be a matter of time before Ethereum is going to be breaking this downtrend, and whenever Ethereum is going to be breaking this downtrend, well, that is when Ethereum is going to be exploding towards the upside. But I do think that at the breakout of the previous Bitcoin all-time high, whenever we are going to be breaking above that, well, retail is going to be returning towards the crypto market, and that is going to be the moment where I think Ethereum is going to be starting to outperform Bitcoin. Now, I've talked about that exactly in this video over here, so make sure to go ahead and watch it. But with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.